Welcome back to another Daishinfinity video. In this video, we're going to talk about the supremum and the maximum of natural numbers. So if any set A is given that is a subset of the natural numbers, we can say that the supremum of A is equal to the maximum of A. So in this video, we're going to prove this using induction principle and the Peano axiom principle. So if let's say A is a subset of the natural numbers, then we can say that there exists an S dash, which is defined as the supremum of A. Since A is a subset of the natural numbers, we can say that for every n in the natural numbers, there exists an S dash in A, or let's say S dash in the natural numbers, such that S dash is always bigger or equal to n. Now, because of induction, through the Peano axioms, we can state that n, if n is a natural number, we can imply that n plus 1 is also a natural number. And since we can add everything on both sides, we can actually say that S dash plus 1 is bigger or equal to n plus 1. But since S dash plus 1 is obviously always bigger than S dash, and because n plus 1 is in the natural numbers, we can say that S dash is smaller than n plus 1, since S dash is actually the smallest upper bound of n. So what we can actually state now is that we have n is smaller or equal to S dash, which is smaller than n plus 1. So n is actually equal to the maximum of A. And since n is smaller or equal to S dash, we can state that the maximum of A is actually the supremum of A. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see us next in the next Daishinfinity video. See ya.